In this video, I'll show you how to add a parallax animation to your photos in DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump in. Start by selecting your photo on the timeline and set the zoom to around 1.2. Then, if you're on Windows, hold the Alt key and drag the clip up to duplicate it, or hold the Option key and drag if you're on a Mac. With the top clip selected, switch to the color page. Use the pen tool in the Windows section to draw a mask around your main subject, and close the shape by connecting it back to the start. In the node editor, right-click, choose Add Alpha Output, and drag a line from the blue square on your node to this new alpha output. To soften the edges, set Soft 1 to 5.0. Now go back to the edit page. At the start of the timeline, add a keyframe for zoom on the top clip. Move forward a few seconds and change the zoom to 1.4. Select the bottom clip, move to the end of the animation, and add a keyframe with zoom set to 1.0. Then go back to the start and set the zoom to 1.2. And that's it! You've created a smooth parallax effect to bring your photo to life.